In this lecture, I will define a 2 cross 2 matrix from linear equation. Also, I will talk about what is a column vector and what is a row vector. What is a coefficient matrix and what is a augmented matrix. So suppose if you have a set of linear equation given by 2x plus 8y is equal to 3 and x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. So this belong to some function or some phenomena which depicts the behavior of that object. So in real scenario, this could be something like my variable could be the current I1, I2, could be my x and the y which is acting on a circuit, and my constants could be the voltages, etc. So this is a possibility. So this equation in real life would depict some kind of a behavior of some kind of object like an electrical circuit, etc., or even a mechanical object, etc. So it's possible to write this whole thing in a matrix in such a way that you can write the coefficients of the variables as it happens, like 2, 8 and 1 and minus 4. If you call this is equal to A, this forms a 2 cross 2 matrix. And why this is a 2 cross 2 matrix is because there is 2 rows and 2 columns. Also, this kind of matrix are known as square matrix. If I give m notation for row and n notation for column, when m is equal to n, such kind of matrix form a square matrix. That is, m cross n is equal to square matrix, I can say. So in this case, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is a square matrix, and it's possible to write it as A of m cross n or A of ij, where you are representing the variables like this is a1 1 and this is a12, this is a21, this is a22. So it's possible to represent the matrix or each of the element of the matrix in a way given by I or j notation. Again, talking of the same, so if you say that my B is given by, which was given by 2 1 and 8 minus 4, then whatever is this is my coefficient matrix, and my matrix in the form given by B is equal to 2 1 8 minus 4, and even considering the constants which was outside the equal to sign, which is not dependent on or which is not having any variable, so even considering that, whatever this gives is this is known as my augmented matrix, and this will give the full information of the solution of whichever problem I am dealing with. So if 2x plus 8y is equal to 3 and x minus 4y is equal to minus 1 were my equations, and x and y are my variables. So again, if I'm having a matrix which can a matrix A in the form of a 2 cross 1 matrix example, where this is my row and this is my column. So whenever my row or column is equal to 1, then such kind of matrix form vector matrix. When the column is equal to 1, the matrix is known as a column vector, and whenever my row is equal to 1, such kind of matrix is known as a row vector. So a matrix like 1, 2 and 3 is equal to A could be an example of a row vector, and a matrix like 1, 2, 3 is equal to B could be an example of a column vector. So that's all about in this lecture, and the next lecture I will talk about addition of two matrices.